In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a child theme, edit, and manage a HubSpot quote template. If you're ready to enhance your HubSpot CRM skills, stick around and let's dive into it together. First things first, we'll start by navigating to the HubSpot homepage. This is your central hub for all things HubSpot, and it's where you'll manage your CRM activities, so make sure you are familiar with it. Once you've reached the homepage, you'll want to log in. Enter your login credentials, and with a click, you'll be inside your HubSpot portal. This is where all the magic happens. Now head over to your HubSpot home. Once you're on the home screen, find and click on the content section. This part of the platform is where you store and organize all your digital assets, from blog posts to landing pages, and of course your design elements. Next, navigate to the Design Manager. This tool allows you to customize the look and feel of your HubSpot content. It's incredibly powerful for branding, ensuring that everything aligns with your business's identity. In the Design Manager, you'll see the @HubSpot directory. Click on it. Within this directory, you'll find various themes that you can work with. For this tutorial, we are interested in the growth theme, so go ahead and select it. Now, to create a child theme, right-click on the growth theme. By doing this, you'll bring up a menu where you can select Create Child Theme. The reason for creating a child theme is that it allows you to make customizations without affecting the parent theme. This way you maintain the original's integrity and avoid potential problems during updates. Once you've initiated the creation of a child theme, follow any prompts to finalize the process. Now, with your child theme created, we'll switch gears a little and head over to the commerce section of HubSpot. This is where you handle all things related to transactions and sales processes. Within the commerce section, find and click on quotes. This takes you to the section where you can manage how you present pricing and proposals to your clients. Creating professional on-brand quotes is crucial for making a great impression, so you'll want to keep this area nice and tidy. In the quotes section, locate the Actions button. Click it and then select Edit from the drop-down menu. Here is where you can start customizing your quote templates, adjust the layout, tweak the text, switch out images, or add personalized notes, whatever you need to make it truly representative of your brand. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of creating a child theme and managing your quote templates in HubSpot. With practice, these skills will become second nature, and you'll be managing your HubSpot CRM like a pro in no time. Thanks for following along, and be sure to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials.